Everything you just saw in that commercial, from the product design to the logo, was created entirely inside Lovart AI. So if you're tired of switching between different tools, Lovart brings everything together in one place. From branding and product design to social media assets and AI videos, you can build an entire brand from scratch. Today I'll show you how I created a fictional tech brand called NexaCharge using Lovart AI.
First, open your browser and search for Lovart AI. Then select the official website from the search results. Once you're logged in, you'll land on Lovart AI's dashboard. Right from the home screen, you can access powerful tools. You can design things. You can do things with branding, e-commerce, and AI video generation. One of my favorite features is the wide selection of AI models. Lovart brings together leading image and video models, so you can pick the one that best fits your project. All of your projects are neatly organized on the dashboard, making it easy to jump back into your work. Before creating any packaging or Amazon graphics, I'm going to establish our brand's identity by starting with the logo. Instead of hiring a designer or using pre-made templates, I'm going to let Lovart generate custom logo concepts based on our business brief. Here's the prompt I'll use. Lovart generates a few distinct directions. I really like this concept here. It combines a clean geometric letter, the N, with a stylized bolt symbol inside. It instantly feels like an established tech brand. What if you want to tweak an individual part without regenerating the whole image? That's where Lovart's touch edit comes in. Just click on whatever element you want to move, like your text or graphic, and drag it wherever you want it to sit. It blends naturally into the new position, making tweaking your design completely effortless. Instead of asking Lovart to generate one random product image, I'm going to give its agent a complete business brief prompt. In the model selection, I keep it on auto and hit generate. Lovart begins interpreting the complete campaign instead of treating this as one isolated image request. It understands that we need branding, packaging, e-commerce content, social media advertisements, all for the same small business. Rather than giving me an empty design editor and asking me to build everything manually, Lovart begins delivering the actual campaign assets based on the business brief. Now it's time to build our brand's visual identity using Lovart's BrandKit feature. I'll create a new brand kit called NexaCharge. Think of it as your brand's creative headquarters, where you can store your logo, typography, color palette, custom fonts, and even AI-generated visuals, all in one organized place. Once you upload your branding assets, they're saved and ready to use forever. The best part? You can use this exact kit to launch a completely new project instantly, ensuring your brand stays 100% consistent every single time. And just like that, our NexaCharge brand kit is ready. From this point on, Lovart uses it as a creative reference for everything we create. Now that the brand kit is ready, I will ask Lovart to create the retail packaging for the SnapVolt 10K and hit generate. Here's the result. The navy packaging uses the electric blue accent from our brand kit. The logo is clearly visible, and the main product features are easy to understand. Now let's create a short promotional video for our brand. Simply upload your product images, paste emotional prompt, adjust the settings, and choose your preferred AI video model. Then just hit generate. After a few seconds, our promotional video is ready. Let's preview the final result. Another standout feature in Lovart is its custom font generator. Instead of searching through thousands of standard stock fonts, you can generate a completely unique typeface inspired by any image or texture. First upload image, add, prompt, hit generate. In just a few seconds, Lovart transforms that visual style into a fully rendered canvas-ready font lockup. You don't need vector paths or typography software. Lovart extracts the visual theme from your image, applies your prompt, and drops the stylized text directly into your workspace. The next core feature of Lovart AI is text editing. If you want to change any text, simply click on the Edit Text tool, highlight the text you want to replace, enter your new text, and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, the text is updated while the rest of the design stays exactly the same. It's a quick and effortless way to customize your assets without starting over.
And that is how you build a full brand ecosystem in a single sitting. We started with 0 assets, and using just one prompt brief, Lovart generated our logo, typography, and complete brand kit. If you want to bring your own brand ideas to life, check the link in the description below. If this breakdown helped you out, leave a like, subscribe for more content creation workflows, and comment below with the brand you're launching next. See you in the next video.